Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go up to you guys in the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY. We have a very important Fed minutes data report coming out tomorrow at 11 o'clock Pacific time, which is 2 o'clock Eastern time. Our question is, are we going to continue on with this pullback that we had in the middle of the day today and a slight pullback after we had a bounce? Are we going to continue on with this pullback, or are we going to continue on with this rally that we are looking to see if we can continue on past, as we are overbought here on the RSI on the daily chart? Our question is, are we going to get out of overbought territory and possibly have a continuation on lower from here, or are we going to continue on into overbought territory here on the daily chart? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, and again, I don't ask anything else of you guys. If you guys do like the video and subscribe, that's awesome. But if you guys do want to support the channel, or you guys do want to be a part of a community that we have over 400 members with in the Instables, you're mentioning very volatile breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So again, we are looking at our daily chart. We are overbought. A lot of people have been asking, how much room do we actually have to run to the upside? Again, we are leading into tomorrow's Fed minutes. Are we going to get that continuation on a pullback like we had midday today after we do have Fed minutes going to tomorrow? Well, it very much is dependent on exactly what Fed minutes data comes out as, of course. We do have Powell that will have some comments. There are two chances of the market possibly bouncing back, and the reason why is because we could have a possible neutral Fed minutes, which again, our previous Fed minutes was neutral, or we could possibly have a positive Fed minutes, which would make the market confirm that decrease in CPI, again, that decrease in inflation, possibly continuing on higher if the Feds come out very dovish. However, if the Feds do go against what we've been pricing in, again, a possible decrease in Fed rate hikes leading into September, since again, we did get that decrease in CPI, or are we going to possibly get that confirmation on that confidence leading into September? So our question is, are we going to have a pullback because we are uncertain leading into September's Fed rate hike, or are we going to continue on higher as the Feds may confirm going into tomorrow? And again, with that neutral Fed minutes, we could very much just bounce back and continue on higher. Again, our two levels here on the SPY that we have been talking about, we also did mention the Instables, and again, here is at 431, and then the upper end of our range here is at 434. The reason why we have been mentioning this is because, as you guys can see here on our VPVR, we have our two strongest peaks here on our VPVR. As you guys can see, we have the lower end of our largest peak. Again, this is the lower end of our resistance that we did mention. And then the upper end that we need to continue on past here at 434 is the largest peak that we have here. And a lot of people will consider this a bull market if we do continue on past 434. Again, the reason why is because we're above the largest point of our volume profile, our VPVR, showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the S&P's daily time frame. And again, if anything is important from Fed minutes, I will mention that in the Instables room as always. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts, for example, again, like I'm sure a lot of you guys saw BBY today, we mentioned very volatile breakouts, a lot better than BBY, but BBY was a very nice breakout, of course, as well. If you guys do want to see all these breakouts throughout trading hours, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, we're going to continue to go at it again. Very nice breakouts today. I hope you guys did catch one of many things that we mentioned today. It was a lot of breakouts today. It was just a really good day today. Very blessed, and we're going to continue to stay blessed. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.